Hello and welcome to another Simple Trading Ideas trading tutorial. Hello and welcome to another Simple Trading Ideas trading tutorial. We're going to cover a very basic concept here, and that is why do we trade? Why do we trade rather than doing something traditional such as buy and hold types of stock, futures, or Forex transactions? So we're going to dive right into a chart, and the chart will give us an indication as to why we trade. All right, here we are in the chart of the Qqq Etf. Now this is a monthly chart, as you can see. Okay, you see right here. And we're going to pop down here to a particular low. So we can see where the low is here. 25.05, and let's go up here to a particular high, 70.58. In fact, obviously looking at that, since this is a monthly chart, that 70.58 does indicate that it is a 52-week high, so that's a significant high. So the distance, if we had been fortunate enough to make the purchase here at the low of 25.05 and up here the high of 70.58, approximately the difference would be $45. Okay, so that would be $45 per share, and someone with 1,000 shares, obviously that's a $45,000 profit. Without considering additional other things. So we'll pop back down here, and what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the distance between the high and the low of each month. Okay, so there's a high, low, 3.99, 3.67 as you can see up here, 4.29, 5.83, 5.11. Now, interestingly enough, the number of months from here, this particular bar, all the way up to here is, let's say it's 46. Okay, so let's say that the average distance between each high and low was $4 per share. Let's also just envision in our wildest dreams that we were fortunate enough to be able to get in and make our purchases each month at the very lowest point and exit each of those trades at the very highest point. Okay, so over this particular period of time, if we're looking at, say, approximately 46 months, we would be looking at a profit of 4 times that, which would be $184 a share. Okay, so I know that getting in at the absolute high and low of each month is akin to fantasy, but what we're looking at is the profit potential of timing the market and getting in and out at perhaps better levels and more profitable levels than we would be able to get in and out of had we made our purchase there and simply sold there. Obviously, there would be nothing wrong with that, a wonderfully profitable trade, but here we see the potential inside of each of these bars, and these are monthly, and the same thing would apply, of course, to smaller time frames, and we're looking at a little bit larger time frame here. So to kind of sum things up here, trading looks to take advantage of the many smaller price moves within larger price moves, like this large trending price move from here all the way up to here. So trading looks to take advantage of get in and get out of at a profit of the smaller price moves. And again, the $184 per share is obviously a number of times larger than the $45 per share. And it's a matter of trading an investing style as well. Some people would simply prefer to, get in and sort of let the trade go. Longer term traders, shorter term traders would be looking at an even smaller time frame than this, than the monthly. So some people who are, perhaps day traders or scalpers or what have you, everyone has a different methodology, a different system, a different strategy by which they are able to extract profits from the market or seek to extract profits from the market. So again, in conclusion, trading attempts to take advantage of the many, many profit opportunities that can be found within any larger move, or even if it happened to be, sideways for that matter. It didn't have to be a bull move, like strong bull move like this one. So that's basically it. Thank you very much for taking the time to join us, and we look forward to seeing you in the next edition of Simple Trading Ideas Trading Tutorials.